I am now in the model room of HJD. I'm going to show you some equipment in the showroom. Let me tell you about the situation here. And this is a 15-head Epson nozzle high-speed paper machine. Here is an 8-head high-speed DTF printer. 8 heads high-speed. And then here is a one that can support 38 microns. DTF equipment for ultra-thin films. Here is one that can support 12 color printing. DTF 5-head machine. 12 colors. And here is a 3-dimensional vertical powder shaking DTF equipment. 5 heads, and it can make a breathable effect. Then here is the crystal label UV machine. Bronzing machine. UV machining. And then 6090's little UV machine. Here is a plan for lettering films. Lettering film. And here's an 8-head. The plan of the paper machine. This is an elliptical digital machine. We use 3 numbers here, including pre-treatment solutions. Hit white ink, hit color ink. And this is an automatic folding machine. This is a dual station press. Then there's a dual station BTG teaser here. Direct injection machine. Here is a 6-station double head ironing machine. This is a HJD digital textile printer. We are now the elliptical machine in HJD production workshop. Come and take a look at some of the production machines on site. That's the first device over there. This is the second one. The third one here. Inside is the 4th channel. Then come and have a look with me. There is a lot of equipment in the back. HJD's production workshop is very good. And here is the device of the 5th unit. This is the 6th station. Including it has an extended version of the elliptical machine. And this compact one, it has it all. What else? Let's take a look at some of the details of our equipment. So for example, in this particular area, the precision is beautiful. Then we look at the opposite device. So this device, its desktop version will be very solid. Let's go into the digital workshop to take a look at his equipment. Digital machine head workshop. I am here now. It is in the production workshop of HJD's drum machine, on site.